If we need to make a configuration for base and rover with UHF radio, we go to connect. We'll go to make plus. We'll select device VR11. Choose Bluetooth serial number. Data link, it's internal radio. We need to make it as base channel. We will choose, we already have some channel already setting, or you can choose any one you need. 464.25 connection name base. Press OK, then select and press connect. After that, we will go to base setting. Now we already connected to a receiver with base configuration. We go to base setting. Here, what we need to use, the current location, or use a location from point list. We can go, we choose the point if we already have it, and the base height. Now we will go to use a current location and just press start base and wait till the configuration is finished, then make back, and we will go to connect again to make a connection for the rover.